Patrick Bet-David has made some bold predictions for 2025 that could change how you approach your finances forever. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? In this video, we'll break down the latest advice and financial predictions from Patrick Bet-David, entrepreneur and financial expert. From navigating the financial landscape of 2025 to tips on how to build wealth and avoid common mistakes, this video will give you the insights you need to stay ahead of the curve. Make sure to stick around till the end, because his final prediction will shock you. Patrick Bet-David didn't start out wealthy. He was born in Iran and faced numerous struggles when his family immigrated to the United States. After a tough start in the workforce, Patrick took a chance on the insurance industry and founded PHP Agency, which eventually grew into one of the largest financial services companies. The importance of persistence, resilience, and a willingness to learn from failures. Patrick attributes his success to his ability to embrace challenges and learn from mistakes.
The greatest wealth is the ability to live life on your own terms. The only way to do that is to take risks.
Global economic trends in 2024. Inflation and the Fed's rate hikes. Central banks have aggressively raised interest rates to combat inflation, but it has also created higher borrowing costs, affecting everything from mortgages to business investments. Recession risks. Patrick sees 2025 as a time when economies worldwide may either face stagnation or enter a full-blown recession. He believes that savvy investors will have to adapt quickly. Technological disruption. Patrick has been vocal about how technology is shaping industries. AI, automation, and blockchain technologies will continue to disrupt traditional industries in 2025, the shifting global order. In his interviews, Patrick mentions the rise of emerging markets, particularly in Asia and Africa, which could reshape global trade and investment. The key to thriving in 2025 is understanding global economic shifts and positioning your investments in industries that will benefit from these changes.
In times of uncertainty, those who are prepared are the ones who will succeed.
Patrick is a huge proponent of artificial intelligence and automation. He predicts that businesses using AI for predictive analytics, customer insights, and operational efficiency will outperform their competitors. While he remains cautious about investing in cryptocurrencies, Patrick does see a place for blockchain technology, particularly in supply chain management and decentralized finance (DeFi). He believes blockchain could revolutionize the financial sector in ways that we haven't even imagined yet. Patrick predicts a shift in where people want to live. While major cities like New York and Los Angeles will continue to thrive, secondary markets, smaller cities, and suburbs are expected to see an influx of people. Affordable housing, especially in emerging markets, will be a key area of focus for real estate investors. Real estate investors and tech entrepreneurs should focus on these emerging opportunities and get in early.
The future belongs to those who embrace technology and adapt to change.
Patrick stresses the importance of not putting all your eggs in one basket. He advises having a balanced portfolio that includes stocks, real estate, commodities like gold and silver, and even some exposure to cryptocurrencies. One of Patrick's core investment strategies is focusing on assets that produce passive income. Whether it's dividend stocks or rental properties, generating consistent cash flow is essential for long-term wealth building. Patrick is a fan of using good debt to leverage opportunities, especially when it comes to buying real estate. He believes that using leverage smartly can amplify returns without overexposing yourself to risk. Build a portfolio that is diversified across different asset classes with a strong focus on cash flow generating investments.
The best way to grow wealth is to let your money work for you. Focus on income-generating assets.
One of the most common questions Patrick gets is how to start investing with little capital. His advice? Start with as little as $100 if that's all you can spare. Patrick emphasizes the importance of investing in your education. Whether it's learning about stocks, real estate, or entrepreneurship, knowledge is the most valuable asset you can acquire. For beginners, Patrick recommends low-cost index funds or ETFs that track the broader market. It's a way to start with a diversified portfolio without taking on too much risk. Starting small is okay. The important thing is to start. Consistency and education are the foundations of financial success.
You don't need a lot of money to start. You need knowledge and the willingness to take action.
Patrick warns against speculative investments and get-rich-quick schemes. While many people get lured into the promise of instant wealth, true financial freedom takes time and patience. One of the biggest mistakes people make is failing to plan their finances. Budgeting, saving, and managing debt are all crucial steps in securing your financial future. Using too much debt, especially high-interest credit cards or loans, can derail financial progress. Patrick emphasizes being cautious with debt. Avoid falling into the traps of greed and speculation. Build wealth steadily and systematically.
Wealth is built over time, not overnight. Patience and discipline are the real keys to success.
Patrick believes that the rise of China, India, and other emerging economies will dramatically shift global power structures. Investors will need to consider geopolitical risks and opportunities in their strategy. Remote work and the gig economy will continue to grow in 2025. Patrick advises leveraging this by building digital businesses or investing in platforms that facilitate remote work and outsourcing. Environmental, social, and governance ESG criteria are becoming more important in the investment world. Patrick sees a significant opportunity in sustainable investments, especially in industries like renewable energy and eco-friendly technology. Stay ahead of the curve by understanding the social, economic, and political changes shaping the future.
The world is constantly changing. The best investors are the ones who can adapt to these changes before everyone else.
The most dangerous people in society are lazy, ambitious people. Distance yourself from them. Get on their bad side because they're working 24/7 to come after you.
Patrick Bet-David's advice is clear. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today, no matter how small, and use the strategies outlined in this video to position yourself for financial success in 2025 and beyond. The key to financial freedom lies in consistent, informed action. Take control of your financial future, embrace the lessons Patrick has shared, and be ready for the exciting opportunities 2025 will bring.
Success is not an accident. It's the result of clear goals, hard work, and a commitment to learning.
Patrick Bet-David's advice offers a roadmap for navigating today's challenges and tomorrow's opportunities. Now, it's your turn to act. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss more life-changing financial insights from our channel. Let's build a wealthier, smarter future together.